guys, sweets, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm not even fully wearing my hijab. That's because I'm quickly getting ready and then I'm gonna go to grocery store and stuff with my mom and sister. So I was thinking that I will bring you guys along today because I'm not only going to grocery store but I'm also going to play badminton, so I'm going to try my best to record there as well. Oh, this hijab is... yeah. So yeah, I was saying that I'm basically going to badminton later on today at 6 p.m. and no, it's not gonna be like the video I made, I don't know how many weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, about where I've been in IBS and stuff, because in that video I actually told you guys that I will take you all along with me to grocery store. But that didn't happen. Instead, I made a 19 minutes long video. So yeah, not this time. But yeah, I was gonna say that, oh, I don't know if you can see it, but my eye is super red. I don't know why. It's just like I keep on waking up every hour in the middle of the night, so I've been having really bad sleep, and also I'm breaking out so bad. You have no idea, like, go away. Now I'm gonna try to show you. Okay, can you see these small bumps? Like, but anyways, God bless makeup, I guess. So no, but what I was gonna say is I'm also gonna do a makeup tutorial, not now because my face looks horrible. So I do think that it's one of the, you know, die-off symptoms. Remember when I told you about candida and IBS and whatsoever? I will link the video down below so you can check it out. But I didn't make a proper video of it. Like, I think I'm gonna, you know, make a separate video about IBS and how I dealt with it and what supplements I take for IBS and stuff. And then I'm gonna make a separate video about candida because it was quite getting, you know, mixed up and stuff, and yeah, it's quite confusing. So I'm gonna make a separate video of candida and IBS and how I'm dealing with it and how I dealt with it before as well, and some stories, awkward stories, especially when it comes to IBS. So yeah, but I do think that it's one of the die-off symptoms, and you know, it's horrible. It's actually horrible. Like, I feel dead. Yeah, so I have to go to a grocery store and pick up yogurt and almond milk and yeah, stuff like that. So gonna quickly do that, and then I'm gonna come home and make pancakes. Ugh, it's actually so cold. This is why I love this top. You can just put in your hijab, and if you're freezing, just wear this. So yeah, let's go to the grocery store. Wait, I need to turn on. Getting it. Bye. What do I want from her? So I'm actually craving blueberries. So I got a question yesterday.
Yeah.
Have you ever beaten up a guy before?
Oh yeah.
Now here's the thing. I'm a really calm person when it comes to fighting. Like, I don't fight with people. So now, here's the thing. Nobody actually likes him because of the way he used to be. Now, obviously,
Because of his behavior.
Yeah. So his behavior was so weird. Like, he was so disrespectful and all of that. And you know, when you swallow and swallow and swallow things, then it gets enough, right? Like, it comes up to your throat.
Why do you swallow all the time?
No, because he used to say stuff and I used to be like, okay, leave it, ignore. And then all of a sudden, he pushed me. I was like, where's the water coming from? Okay, so we had chemistry class, and you know, when you have chemistry classes and stuff like that, when you're in the lab, you basically have things, right? Okay, so I pushed him back, and then all of a sudden he pushed me again. And I was like, what is going on? And then I lost my brain.
You lost your brain?
I lost my brain.
You lost
I
your
jumped.
brain.
So I was in the fighting mode, right? And I jumped on him and grabbed his face with my fingers, like nails and stuff. And he pulled my hair. Back then I didn't wear hijab, okay? He was not stopping, so our other classmates had to get in and stop us both. I got crazy, right? And then after a while, like, he said something even more disgusting, and I was like, yo, I need to shut his mouth, right? So I grabbed the chemistry thing. I can't remember the name of it, but was holding it, and I was like, don't you dare come near me. And my teacher was like, okay, now this is serious. I'm not like that. I wouldn't grab things and
your senses.
yeah, I was not in my senses. That was horrible. But you know, all this anger and everything came out because he's been bothering me since day one. So yeah,
You were sick that time.
yeah, and also I was sick during that time. Like, I could faint easily. I was not feeling well. You know, remember the video where I was talking about my hijab story and I mentioned about the disease I had, which got removed? It was growing behind my ear. Yeah, so I was sick during that time as well. So yeah, it was just horrible times. That was
Come and bring her.
yeah. No, I actually walked home.
No.
Oh no, you
Khala
yeah. So my khala came and my auntie came and picked me up because I was a little bit in pain and stuff. Oh, and my hair. A friend of mine, she was like, Raheen, don't freak out. I was like, what? She then grabbed my hair and I was like, why is she grabbing my hair? But then I realized it's not even attached to my head. I lost a lot of hair during that time. So I'm finally back home and I'm gonna continue editing my hijab tutorial, which will probably be up next week or so, or in a few days, I don't know yet. Got something in my eye. It feels so good not wearing mascara. You can just play with it. I'm quickly going to edit and then I'm gonna clean and then I'm going to probably cook, and then I'm going to go to badminton at 6 p.m. as I told you earlier. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and then I'm going to edit this vlog as well. But yeah, it's not a lot to do. It's just I have a lot to clean, which is going to take ages. I only have 2 hours, wait, 1.5 hours to be honest, to fix everything and clean everything, and then I will see you soon, I guess. Bye.